This is the Weather Extreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 4th of September, the morning edition. I'm James Spann. Hey, drier air is settling in. That's going to mean some nice, quiet, calm weather for a while, at least for the northern half of the state. Let's take a look at some of the Skycam shots. These were captured this morning at 5 a.m. Let's look at the Tuscaloosa Skycam. Sky's clear. Look at the Jasper Skycam in Walker County. And we thought we'd cross the state line. That's our Skycam in Tupelo, Mississippi, where it feels pretty good. They're in the low 60s. Nice surge of dry air covering the northern half of the state. That nice upper trough over the east pushing that thing south. Got a ridge in the west. And yeah, you can notice the difference. Look at North Alabama. You got 61 for Cullman and Fort Payne, 62 for Haleyville. But as you work your way south, you get back in the 70s below Interstate 20. But around the nation, you go up north, you can see those nice 50s. Chicago, Indianapolis, Cincinnati feels just like fall. Feels so nice, and we're kind of on the edge of that air mass. Obviously, severe weather, not a big problem. A little slight risk up in the northwest. And tomorrow, parts of Washington, Oregon, Idaho, Montana, but going to be hard to buy a shower down this way. Really, for the next 5 days, I think we'll be dry. This is the rain through Monday morning of next week. Really nothing over the northern and western counties of the state. Scattered showers should be confined to the southern part of Alabama, mainly south of US 84. And even there, the activity will be pretty scattered in nature. So let's look at tropics and see if we can stir up anything out here. And really, it's just quiet. You know, we've not had a single hurricane all season, and we're past Labor Day, which is amazing. A little weak feature near the Yucatan that shows no sign of organization. The wave that's in the Caribbean has a flare of convection early this morning down to the southeast of Puerto Rico. But again, if by chance, if anything forms here, the big trough over the eastern U.S. will turn this thing north way before reaching the United States and probably well before reaching the Bahamas. And that'll be a recurve. The models that identify this, and not many do. Some want to bring it up to a tropical storm, one to a hurricane, but it's just having a hard time. Been a slow tropical season, and maybe it'll stay that way. We'll check the modeling. This is the GFS, the Global Forecast System, valid at 1 o'clock local time this afternoon at 500 millibars. Upper high near Denver. Troughing over the northeast and dry air for most of north and central Alabama. Again, that surface boundary is down around US 84. Any showers should be south of there. And highs upper 80s today, and the dew points are lower, so it'll feel pretty comfortable. This is tomorrow, the same thing. We'll start the day pretty far down in the 60s. The high should be in the upper 80s. The sky mostly sunny. Friday, great night for football there. Good deal of sunshine during the day. Friday night will cool down quickly once the sun goes down. Here's a look at Saturday as we start the weekend. Upper high over Nebraska and Kansas. Got a weak northerly flow aloft. And again, I guess you might consider a slight chance of a shower with some slight increase in moisture, but there's no dynamic support for rain. So we're just going to say partly sunny. And the same thing for Sunday. Highs for the weekend, 87 to 90. Pretty warm during the day, but pleasant at night. Monday of next week, hey, we're still dry. Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Maybe a few showers north of here, but there's a chance. A lot of you that are across places like Birmingham and Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden, you could go a whole week here, 7 days in a row without a drop of rain. We'll check the end of the forecast. This is the 19th of September. If you're looking for cool air, that's not going to help us. Got a upper high over us, 588 high, with a cool, really cold trough back in the west. And if that's right, it would be kind of warm and humid and showery and things like that. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can, catch us on ABC 3340 News this evening on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.